So today we're going to be wrapping this bumper on the 61 Impala to do a test run. And we just cut a little piece out to test this side. Try to see how we can make these lines collide without taking this off and then making it harder for ourselves, to be honest. But see how it sticks on the chrome instead of actual paint on the metal. So this is a different partner. Right now we're using the heat gun to stretch out the fabric, the material, the vinyl, so we can get the line straight. Seems like we have to be fast, huh?
Just a little.
So we got a second piece going right now. We're gonna start obviously from the corner, stretch it out, see how it goes. Can't get too hot on the heat gun as well here. Do this. What do you guys think of that bling? Looks like the hardest thing we're having right now is pulling this vinyl across the chrome because it sticks fast. But we're using this product right here so we can help clean and also help move the vinyl without sticking so fast. And also using the squeegees so we can get a lot of those looking look clean. What do you guys think about that cover? Alright, so we got it all the way around to here. We're gonna have a big problem trying to figure out how to get this line. We can take this off, but we're trying to see if we can make a smooth line. We have enough wrap to mess up 16 times, which is a good thing. We're gonna try to smooth this out right here with this nipple part that's coming out, and with some more of the tape so we can cut it down to the bottom, and then try to see and then get this straightened out. It's coming out better here and here. All right, third time is a charm. So right here we're gonna kind of stop it here because last time we were trying to pull it for the nipple parts and then we ripped it. So and today is about 105, so we're using the sun's heat now to stretch out the vinyl. It's so hot out here today that we didn't even need to use the heat gun the third time because the sun is beaming on the vinyl, which gives us enough heat to stretch out the vinyl without hurting the vinyl. So we didn't even need to use the heat gun because with the heat gun we're burning the vinyl and then we ripped it already 2 times. So with the third time we actually have learned that the sun is our best friend for sure. So we're almost done here. Biggest problem is here is getting this so it won't be too bubbly. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do here. Maybe cutting it. And seeing how that goes, but we are testing out every aspect of it and seeing what we can do because we do have a lot of vinyl to do a lot of tests for that. So hopefully this third time is a charm with the application of it. We did do a little bit of ribs, but it's okay for this test run. Poking the hole off of this little nipple right here to get the air out, to try to get it out. This is our 4th try. We are not professionals, but we will become a professional. Well, he'll become a professional after he's done with it. Oh, nice sounds coming out. Look at that. Just with the little hole right there. takes out all that air out that built up underneath. And now we got a better now we're just pushing all the vinyl in, and we get to be able to push it in there. It's trial and error, guys. So this is like at home. Always get more vinyl than you need, so you guys can mess up a bunch of times till you love the finished product. This is more of a test dummy with this chrome bumper till we get to the other main chrome bumper that we're gonna do. But this bumper is actually gonna be a lot harder, so it's better. We thought it's better to go a lot harder than easier, because if we can do this, then the other one, which is gonna be a lot flatter surface and a lot of a bigger surface, it's gonna be a lot easier compared to this, because this is a lot smaller. With this is 61 Impala, but same material, same chrome, instead of plastic, because we're dealing with more of a metal and a solid metal, and the material that metal and chrome does when chrome plating, so dealing with that material and making sure that everything sits properly onto the chrome, as you can see. And we kind of figured out the tape part now. I think the tape part's going to be a lot more fun this time, because we thought that we pulled it out to here, kind of even this out right here, and then cut it. So we'll see how that works. We finished the test on the vinyl wrap and the bumper. We still have to get these flaws out, but this is, remember, this is just a test run to see how it will look for our project, and I think it looks flawless. Comment down below, hit subscribe and like and comment, and think what we're working on, because this is gonna be a crazy project that we're gonna be working on. It's not on this car, this was just a test dummy, but it's gonna be looking crazy once we get everything done, and the reveal of what we're working on and what's gonna come out of this one little piece to what we're really working on, guys.